Color grading or color correction is essential when you want to give a professional look or feel in your video footage. And in Vegas Pro software, you can easily do color correction in your video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video footage in timeline. To start color correction, select this video effects tab. And here you see bunch of different plugins. Now search for a plugin which is called color correction. And here it is. To add this plugin in timeline, simply click and drag it in your video clip. Then a video effects tab will come up. And under this parameter tab, here you see 3 different circles. These 3 works like a color picker but in different perspective. Let's say this time I select this moving icon and set color picker in blue. Look, and in the preview screen here you see in our video footage, in every edges in this video, dark blue is just appear. To make it in default, simply set it in middle. And for the second one, if I set it in blue right here, and here you see this is just increase our mid-tone. And for the last one, by changing this value, here we get a cool winter effect in our video clip. If I set it in orange, and then in the previous screen, here we see we just get a warm, just like summer effect. Let's say this time I set it in this position and set mid-tone here. And for the first one, set it right here. Alright, and under this, here you see we can increase and decrease the value of saturation. This time I increase the value of saturation a little bit. Also, you can increase or decrease the light by using this gamma slider. Also, you can control gain and offset as well. Now let's play this clip.
Smartphone camera in the game right now. If you disagree, let me know what your pick is with a comment down below. But today, if you're a Pixel fan, get excited because I got a couple of gadgets that should elevate things and take full advantage of the amazing camera inside the...
Look, our video color is now completely changed. Pretty cool, right? For faster color correction, you may use color correction presets. To use color presets, simply select on this event effects icon. We already added color correction plugin. And then under preset, here you see different presets are available. By default, it is selected as default. If I set it in blue mid-tone, then here you see the change. Red highlight, green highlight. Choose any of your color preset for faster editing. This time I select green highlight. And for this video, this color preset seems to me perfect. So in this way, you can easily do color correction in your video clip using Vegas Pro software. I recommend you to play around with this color correction plugin and make your video more interesting. Thank you so much for watching.